In a silent night I whisper, your name hangs in the air. A shadow on my heart now, wishing you were still there. Memories play like old films in the theater of my mind. Laughter echoes softly in the space you left behind. Gone too soon but not forgotten. In my heart you still reside. Rest in peace, dear loved ones. You're my eternal guide. Candles flicker on the mantle, photos fade but love remains. Your presence like a warm breeze in the moments full of pain. I talk to you in my dreams, where time stands still for us, holding on to every whisper in the language of our trust. Gone too soon